to my channel. My name is Tina. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you one of my first installments of my Halloween series, Skull, with random colours, face paint, abstractness. Went a little bit insane. Been here a lot of hours. TikTok goes the clock for the whole damn day. I have to admit, I think my kryptonite is skulls. Whenever I go to film a skull, I'm always thinking, oh, how am I going to do the teeth? How am I going to get the angle? How am I going to make them look real? But you know what? I love how this turned out, and I'm so glad that I managed to achieve it and get it looking like this today. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the button down below, and also don't forget to like my video, click on all my social media, it'll be popping up on the screen somewhere, and I really hope you enjoy this video. Until next time, happy Halloween, people! Okay, so starting off this makeup look, I'm going to use a nude Rimmel pencil just to go around the skull areas and just outline all of the important parts of the face. Going in with a large area for the teeth, bringing it down across and up to the top of my lip. This just really helps when you do the teeth later. You've got a bit more space. And just highlighting around my eyes for the socket areas. I do this random thing on my neck which ends up looking like fiery colours in the end. I don't know, it just kind of felt creative. Going in with some orange face paint, I'm now going to use that to colour in the outer part of the temple. So starting on the dark on the outer side and bringing that as far in, about halfway. Then using my finger and blending that towards my hairline just to create and remove any harsh lines and make it nice and soft. It works, trust me. With some yellow face paint, I'm going to use that to fill in towards the hairline, and then use my finger to dab and blend to remove any harsh lines and just make it look really seamless. Going in with a beige and a white Snazaroo face paint, mixing those two together. I like mixing a beigey colour with white. It makes it not look so clowny, and it makes the bone structure areas look more like an ivory colour and not just pure white. So going in and colouring in all the areas of my face where I want the bones to be coming out of. And then with a brush, I just dab and press all of that face paint into my face just to make it look more powdery and less chalky. So using a pink and red, I'm so insane, seriously. I mix them together, and I'm going to use the red to start creating the outer part of the jaw where the teeth will go later. I wanted this to be colourful but also to be a bit realistic with like a blood. Then with the pink, I'm filling in that gap just to kind of denote the gum area in a kind of way. I use my fingers to blend the red and the pink together. It just makes it more seamless and a softer approach. So Let It Go was on in the background, Frozen, and yeah, I was singing it. Mixing a dark blue and a light blue face paint, I firstly outlined my eye socket with the dark blue paint on the outer edge. Again, I'm trying to create this kind of like gradient of colour. And then with the blue, I went inside the eye and covered the entire eyelid underneath. And I used my finger again to blend in a bit of the blue with the dark blue. Then using some black face paint, I decided to do my most amazingly hated part, is the teeth. So I just kind of went in this angle direction rather than just going straight up and down. And then drew a line either side for the rest of the teeth, and then just drew them. I just hate doing teeth. So I use a brown contouring powder to outline where I want my teeth to go. I find this step really easy because it makes me know for the future where the teeth will be, and it just saves having to plot them later, which takes ages, and it also creates a shadowing effect as well. This really looks cool when the result's finished. So with that same colour, I've decided to go in and use it for the shading, using my finger to blend out all those areas to, again, remove any harsh lines. And I just shaded and shaded and shaded until I was happy with the result and happy with the level of texture, using my fingers as well to help blend all those lines in and create like an evil brow kind of effect. Took a while to keep getting the dark in the corner. I used black, just a tiny bit, just to push that deepness right into the kind of like where you would scour, like where you'd frown really hard. And then using a white face paint for the highlighting areas, I just went in above the brow, using my fingers to blend underneath my eye socket, just to create this kind of like ripply effect. And then I used that white in everywhere that I wanted my face to be highlighted and to accentuate the most important parts, the jaw, the eyes. Used a bit more of that red face paint mixed with a bit of black just to make my jawline a bit deeper, to create more of a shadowing on those teeth areas. During the nose with some black face paint, just making sure I had that kind of long extra tip bit, and then topped it up with some highlighter just to create a bit of shine. Then it was the teeth. Going in with a white face paint, I just drew them down in like a diamondy dome shape, so creating that flick at the top just to make them look as though they're sunken into the gums. Yeah, I hate doing skull teeth, they're proper hard. And then I went back in with some more black and red mixed paint and just created more of a shadow on those teeth, adding a few gems and the finishing result. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and follow me on all my social media. Happy Halloween!